Over the past several years, we've been very intentional about rebuilding CPI for long-term success with a range of initiatives, including significant operational changes, new vendor relationships that touch many aspects of the business, the recruitment of an experienced team, and by instituting industry standard practices and new quality initiatives. One of the most meaningful steps we've taken is in reshaping our publishing program, staying true to our identity while expanding across markets, going deeper while building access, going wider in our reach, and global in the availability of our product. Our new books program includes higher profile authors and titles. Books like Witness to Belief by Russ Levinson, which reveal the impact of faith on lives of several public figures, while liturgical works and our backlist continue to provide valuable resources for the Episcopal Church and beyond. We've built real momentum and impact across our entire publishing program. This past year, we also completed a full website migration to a book industry leading platform and continue to optimize our systems. We also joined the Copyright Clearance Center to make permissions for content easier for churches to request. Distribution is so important in publishing. Our books in print and digital format are now available through all channels. We have broad distribution by Ingram through national accounts like Barnes & Noble, Books A Million, and even Target, across independent booksellers and Christian bookstores, libraries, and of course online retailers like Amazon and Eden in the UK. We have also expanded how we raise awareness of our product to a range of consumers. We reach general readers, scholars, librarians, clergy, and lay employees of the church through a range of mediums from advertising, publicity, social media, newsletters, email, and print promotions, and a lot more. Our lead titles have had coverage in national media and international publications, and our books have garnered awards and strong reviews critical for sales. Looking ahead, we're also in the process of identifying and trialing AI tools that promise to make aspects of our production process function more efficiently with cost and resource time savings. We'll continue to learn about new opportunities. Book publishing is constantly evolving to meet the speed of change.